This looks like it's actually growing out of my head. Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a little, wig unboxing, first impression / tutorial on like how I actually install my wigs. So this is a wig. Yes. Oh my gosh, like look at this hairline. I feel like that looks so good. I feel like you can literally see the hairs are like growing out of my head. So I'm going to show you how I glued it down and all that. So this video actually is in collaboration with Hairvivi. So they did send me this wig and sponsor today's video. So shout out to them. If you do want to get this wig or check out their other wigs, I do have a discount code that you can use. So I'll put it up on the screen and in the description box so you guys can check them out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This is what the wig looks like fresh from the box. So she does come with these curls and this is what the front looks like. And I'll show you more about the wig in just a second. But I'm going to show you the box so I can give you like a little unboxing. So she comes in a box like this. It says Vivi. Well, it says Hairvivi on the box, and then it comes in a little bow, so it's like a present to yourself. You know, I always love that. And then when you open up the box, alright, so opening up the box, we get this little beautiful tissue paper, and your wig comes in this satin bag, which I'll show you later. And then it comes with a little care booklet. And then you also get a little goodie bag. So inside the goodie bag, you have this rat tail comb, and then they also give you like a little edge brush and these two little hair clips, which are super handy. And now I'll give you a closer look at the wig. So this is Zora. She is 20 inches long and she's this like, I don't know how to describe it, kind of like a medium brown color with some highlights running through it. And this is what the inside looks like. So she is a lace front wig. So it looks like this. And then the wefts are sewn in the back. And then she does come with this adjustable strap. So you can remove this as well. So if you don't want to wear it with a strap, you can just take it off from the side here. And then there's a comb at the nape area, and it does come with these like adjustable straps at the nape area as well. So if you need to make the wig a little bit tighter, you can do it there. And they do give you the option to add a fake scalp. So it's basically just this little extra bit of fabric on top of the lace, or under the lace, I guess I could say. And they do offer a few colors. So you can get cappuccino, mocha, and honey. I actually got transparent, so I don't know, that's not offered on the website, but maybe you can ask them if you want to use transparent, because I asked for honey, but I think maybe that might be a little bit too dark for me. So I got the transparent one, so you can kind of see it there. So it just adds like another layer of like fake scalp underneath the lace. And the lace is transparent lace as well. And then the hairline is amazing. So everything, like all the knots are bleached, so it comes with bleached knots, so you don't have to do anything. And the hairline is already pre-plucked, and it looks amazing. Like I love like a really plucked hairline. So I'm really excited to see what this looks like on, because I feel like it looks very natural already. And I love like this side part that she comes in. I feel like, she's like basically ready to wear. I am going to straighten out the curls though. I don't know, I'm like not feeling these like tight curls. I feel like these like cheerleader curls, I don't know, I'm not feeling them. So I'm gonna see if I can press them out. I have my flat iron here, so I'm gonna see if I can like straighten it, and then I'm gonna show you how I put it on. This is what the hair looks like all straightened, and I'm really pleased with how easy it was to straighten the hair as well. So those curls are all out and the hair is looking great. And this is what she looks like from the front. So it does come with this like pushed back look along the hairline, which I like, because then it kind of like showcases the hairline, and I feel like it makes the wig look more natural once you have it on. So I am excited to get this on. The way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do the stocking cap method, and then I'm actually gonna glue down the wig. So I will show you everything of what I do. So the first thing that I did is I braid my hair because I'm gonna do like the 2 braids and then crisscross it in the back and then put my stocking cap on. So what I'm doing now is I'm just pushing back all my hair so that my hairline is like really clean and I don't glue down my hairs, you know what I mean? And then what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting a little hole to put my ears through. And this helps to like lay the cap down flat like against your sideburn area. And then what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of product and apply it along my hairline and then let this dry. And then this is what's gonna keep the front of my cap in place. And if you need more security, you can do more than 1 layer. So you can do 1 layer and let it dry and then do another layer. And I'm using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, and this is, you can dissolve it with water and just like shampoo. So it's like really easy to get out, especially like from your hair and stuff too. So it's okay if you get it on your hair, it's like really gentle. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a few minutes until it dries, and then I'm gonna cut this part off. So this is what it looks like with all the excess cut off. And then what you can do to give it even more of a flawless finish is get some powder foundation and a brush and then just kind of press it into the cap. And then this will kind of blend your hair in a bit more and make it more of like one color so that you don't see like the darkness of your hair. All right, so now that I have my base and I'm looking all cute and bald, we're going to get into the fun part, which is actually applying the wig. So I'm gonna put this on just so we can like line it up because I think I have to cut a little bit of the lace off around my ears. So I'll show you how I do that. So I'm just gonna find the middle and put this on. I mean, it already looks like really good. Like, look at the hairline. So now all I need to do is just like glue it to my face. Okay, so there's like some extra of the lace like kind of hanging over my ears. So I'm just gonna cut that off. So basically what I'm doing now is just making sure everything is lined up and sitting how I want it to, and then I'm gonna glue it onto my head. So I'm gonna cut this off first. So what I do usually is I just kind of hold it down and then I use my finger and I feel around where my ear is and section that part off. So you can see like once that's down and I cut that off, my ear will be out. And then I always like to have like a little bit more at the front for like the sideburn area, just in case, because it's always better to like cut off less and then cut more off than like cut off too much and then you like cut off too much, you know. So I'm gonna take this off and then cut this part out. And also, I love how this wig feels. Like, even if I was just gonna wear this glueless, I feel like it's very secure and like in a comfortable way. The elastic feels really good, and I like how everything is laying really flat. So technically I don't even have to glue this down. Like, I could totally wear this glueless, which I love because I usually prefer to wear my wigs glueless. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the gluing process. So what I do is I work in sections. So I'm gonna cut up into the lace. So just like this, up like that, like vertically up into the hairline, and then you're gonna do the same thing over here. So I like to work in these little sections. So they're about like an inch or so wide. So you just apply the glue here, set that section, and then move on to the next one. It just makes it a lot easier and a lot more manageable instead of trying to do like the whole hairline at once, which is like what I used to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the middle first and then move on to the sides. So just using a clip to clip out of the way, and I like to have the wig sitting like the way that I want it to sit when I have it all set. And then just like lifting up the part that I'm working on versus like having the wig like pushed back and then bringing it forward, if that makes sense. I feel like this is like a little bit easier to work with because then you're setting it in the place that you want it to set, and then you're not like fighting with the wig. So you want to make sure you move all those little hairs out of the way so you don't glue them down. So I'm going to work with this middle section first. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just apply the glue in little dots. So like this. And then spread it out, and I'm going to use a little Q-tip. And just make like a very thin layer. It's better to work in thin layers than try to do like one thick layer. So I'm probably gonna do just one layer of glue just because I'm not gonna be wearing this wig for very long, so I want it to be easy to remove. But if you want more security, what you can do is do like one layer of glue like how I just did, let it dry, and then add another layer of glue on top of that one and let it get tacky, and then you can put your lace on. You could also do multiple layers. You can do like up to like 5 layers to just like repeat the process. And the benefit of doing that is that's how you get like the melt look, you know, where like it looks like the lace is like melted into your skin, like you can't even see the lace. That's how you do it. If you do like multiple layers of glue, when you push the lace in, you're pushing it into those layers of glue, so it kind of just like blends in. I don't know if that makes sense, but you're pushing the lace into the glue, and then that's when it dries, it looks like seamless, like it looks like it doesn't exist. So that's kind of like how you get that technique. Okay, so that's like clear, so it's ready to go and it's tacky. So I'm gonna take this, and actually, where's that rat tail comb? Hold on. So then what you're gonna do is lay this section down, and then you want to push it into the glue. And then you can even use like the comb part and go like this. Push it in. All right, and then I'm just gonna leave that one to kind of set, and then I'm gonna move on to the next side. So once the glue has dried, what I do is I take a little eyebrow razor like this and then cut off the excess lace. So what you do is just, again, take your little section and then use little like seesaw motions, little saw motion across, and just be very gentle, obviously. So just like cut along the lace. Yeah, like back and forth motion. Seesaw? I don't know what I'm saying. A little back and forth motion, and cut it off. So I cut off like a little bit of some of the hairs, but that's okay because you want to get pretty close to the hairline. Plus, like, that area had like a bit of extra hair that I didn't really want. So I cut some of that off, and girl, this looks like it's actually growing out of my head. That is so crazy. Oh my god, this actually looks so good. And this lace matches me really, really well too. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so here is the final look. I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks really good. I feel like it actually looks like it's growing out of my head. Like, I'll come a little closer so you can see. Like, what? And I'll part the hair so you guys can see. I really like the side part actually, but you can part it anywhere. You can do like a middle part. Or if you want, you can move the part to the other side as well, but it's already kind of set in this, on that one side, so I don't really want to move it, but I'll just show you whoop, that you can part it anywhere. And it literally looks like your scalp, like it looks like skin. Oh my god, I feel like this looks so good. What do you guys think? No, I feel like this looks so good, right? Okay, so again, links for everything will be down below. You can use my discount code if you want to get this hair, or check out the other hair that they have, because I mean, this hairline, this hair, what's not to love? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.